I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Now here search and select Email Octopus. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key, click on Email Octopus API key. Click on Create Key. Give the meaningful key name as you want. Then click Create. Now copy the API key and paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the lists. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now navigate to Email Octopus page. Now select the lists. Here is the data that came into Email Octopus through the integration. Thanks for watching.